Don't go, it's the only thing I can say. Even though I know I can't make you stay. Don't go, don't go. This is my final plea. I never thought our end would come like this to me. You were standing at the door, I couldn't say a single word. Love was all I had before, but in the end it meant nothing. It seems absurd. Time turned its back on us and we let each other go. But still I'm reaching out to hold the steps you take. You